Panibagong Islamic banking sa Cotabato City binuksan na sa publiko. May report si Raiza Kamid. Kabanderang Raiza, ibandera mo.
Bandera Live Report.
Card Bank Islamic Bank. Ang isang panibagong Islamic Bank ang nagbukas ngayong araw ng Lunes, January 22 na matatagpuan sa Sinswat Avenue in front of Shell Gas Station, Cotabato City. Ang pagbubukas ng Islamic Bank ay dinaluhan ni BARM Senior Minister Abu Nawas Von Al-Hakmas Lamama, Cotabato City Mayor Muhammad Ali Bruce de la Cruz Matabalaw, Bangsamoro Board of Investment Chairman Muhammad Pasigan at Jaime Aristotel Alip, ang chairman ng Card Bank. Ang Card Bank Islamic Bank ay itinataguyod ang Islamic banking, kung saan ito ay zero interest na makakatulong sa mga negosyante.
Bandera Live Report.
Yung card bank pala, as a general perspective, we're actually in the business of poverty eradication. Gusto namin talagang tulungan yung mga unserved market at saka yung talagang may hirap. No? So, unang-una, ginawa namin microfinance. So, we do microfinance to support our poor women and men para magsimula ng business. Now, we have been very successful in microfinance over the years because the card group has been in existence for more than 38 years. Ang sabi namin, mukhang kailangan targetin natin yung Muslim community. So in doing the Muslim community, pinag-aaralan namin, gusto namin talagang mapasama sila. But under the traditional banking systems and procedure, ito ay hindi bagay sa belief ng ating Muslim brothers and sisters. So, we applied for Islamic branch following the Sharia principles and making sure na ito ay halal, no? Na ito ay talagang consistent sa principles and religious belief of our brothers and sisters in the Muslim community. Kaya itong ginagawa namin is a very specialized branch na binigay sa amin ng Central Bank. Ito ang first licensed Islamic branch in the country at ito rin ay sinusuportahan. Napakaganda ng suporta ng BARM and we're very happy with the very warm welcome of the BARM officials and also our local government. So itong ginagawa namin talagang very focused sa ating Muslim brothers and sisters. So everything here should be halal at following the beliefs of our Muslim brothers and sisters.
Pag sinabi natin halal banking, anong ibig sabihin nun?
Ang ibig sabihin nun, this is following the financial principles of Sharia at ito'y compliant. No? At ito ay sumusunod sa mga procedures and systems of Sharia banking, Islamic banking.
Ilang branches na?
This is the first time. Ito ang kauna-unahang branch ng Card Bank on specializing on Islamic branch. And I was told by BSP, this is also the first licensed Islamic branch, first time in historical dito sa buong Pilipinas. Ito yung mga financial services and products para sa Pero ang aming target sa umpisa ay yung mga maliliit nating Muslim brothers and sisters na nagninegosyo. So we're targeting the micro-entrepreneurs at saka yung gusto magsimula ng negosyo.
Bakit sa Cotabato City ang napili?
Very good question. Kasi siyempre, BARM kasi, gusto namin talaga dito sa Cotabato City. Kasi if you look at it, yung data, yung sa BARM, marami ang wala pang yung tinatawag nating bank account. No? So, kung mabigyan sila ng bank account, makapag-register dito, meron ng bank account, they can really participate in our economic activities. At especially, ang drive ngayon ng Bangko Sentral is e-commerce, digital banking. So, mas maganda talaga na mabigyan sila ng mga bank account. Ay, very, very warm. Welcome. Kanina lang, nandito si Mayor Bruce ng Cotabato City at winelcome niya yung aming pagbubukas dito. And of course, yung ating senior minister was also here. Si Chairman Pasigan ng BBOI was also here. Sila Attorney Abbas, si Deputy Minister napakaganda ng pagkaka-welcome nila dito sa amin. Sana tangkilikin natin itong Islamic branch, special Islamic branch ng Card Bank. We're here to serve you at gusto naming consistent sa ating Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and our government. This is supporting financial inclusion. Walang maiiwan. Nobody should be left behind, and we will all participate in the economic growth of our country. Maraming salamat at napakainit ng tanggap dito sa amin dito sa Cotabato City and our BARM government.
Bandera Live Report.
Mula dito sa Bandera News TV Cotabato, Riza Kamid, Basta Balita, Ibandera.
Bandera Reports Afternoon Edition.